Hello teachers and welcome back. This is lesson 2. Okay, this is a reminder of the content that we're focusing on in this particular lesson. And don't forget, in the previous video clip, you saw that the students had just finished their reading part, okay? And now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be moving on to substitution activity. Now, this is to make sure that my students understand everything clearly. They've just finished reading, okay? Now, if you want to move on to a second reading, you're welcome to do so. Or if you're wanting to use this as a small writing activity, you're welcome to do so as well. Now, what I'm going to do as a teacher is I'm going to say, all right, boys and girls, take a look at this. And I'm going to put the flashcards on the board. I'm going to say, what is this picture? And the kids are going to go, gym. That's right. What do you do at the gym? We do PE. Okay. Number 3, boys and girls, what is this picture? It's computer class. What is it? What do we do there? We use a computer. Okay, number 4, it's a vegetable patch. We plant vegetables. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, all right, boys and girls, look at page 10. Please take a look at panel number 2. And I'm going to write down there panel number 2. At the gym, we do PE. And then I'm going to model. I'm going to say, all right, boys and girls, listen to me. The first lesson is gym. The children are doing PE, okay? What's the matter, Josh? I'm not very good at doing PE. Don't worry, I can help you. Very cool. Now that I've modeled, I'm going to ask the class, or I can ask a table or a team. All right, for example, team number 2. The next lesson, 3, 2, 1, go. And the kids will then substitute. The next lesson is computer class. I'm not very good at using a computer. I'm not very good at computer class. I'm sorry, I'm not very good at computer class. I can't use a computer. Come on, Josh, you can do it. Okay, you get the idea. And then finally, you substitute into the last panel over there. So you only need to substitute for panel 2 and 3 and 4, and that is why I have those flashcards on the board. Now, as long as all of the students understand what's going on, or at least they understand what's going on in the team, it's now up to you as the teacher to give them the opportunity to then either copy those words down into their notebooks, which is something that I think is very reasonable to ask, or they can write the words in their textbooks about those words as well. And then what they need to do is they need to then practice those words. And they can either present it as a dialogue if you wish, or they can write it down, or of course they could have a reading part 2 on that one. Now, in order to avoid everybody using gym, computer class, and vegetable patch, I will then say, all right, team B, you are computer room, football pitch, and library. And team C, you are music room, bike stand, and music room. Okay, so now you have variety in the classroom. And you've also got an extra level of challenge, which is really, really great for the kids. All right, teachers, it was a short-ish video, but there is a lot to do there. A lot of that work goes over to the students. They have a lot of work to do in that particular section of the lesson. I hope that you can use some of those activities in your class time. And as always, I hope you learned something new. I shall see you in the next clip. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.